Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your email from PayPal. This can be useful when you no longer have access to an old email address, want to clean up your account, or have added a new email that you plan to use instead. If you need to delete an email address that's linked to your PayPal account, this process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. The exact names or positions of some options may look slightly different depending on your device or PayPal's current layout, but the main steps remain the same. To get started, sign in to your PayPal account first. Make sure you're signing in through the official PayPal website and using a secure device, especially because you'll be changing important account information. Once you're on the main account screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see the gear icon, which is the settings shortcut. Go ahead and click that icon to open your account settings. After that, head to the Accounts tab. This is the section where PayPal shows the email addresses that are currently connected or attached to your account. Depending on the version of PayPal you're using, this section may also appear under your profile, login details, or account information. When you open it, you should see a list of your linked emails in one place, which makes it easy to manage them. You may also see which email is marked as your primary email address. Take a moment here to carefully identify the email address you want to remove. This is important, especially if you have more than one email listed. Make sure you're selecting the correct one before continuing. A good way to check is to compare the full email address carefully, including the spelling and domain name, so you don't accidentally select a similar address. Once you find the email you want to delete, click the three dots next to that email address. This will open a small menu with more options for that specific email. From that menu, select Delete. PayPal may ask you to confirm your choice before completing the change. If a confirmation message appears, review the email address one more time and continue only when you're sure. As soon as you do that, PayPal will remove that email address from your account. And that's all there is to it. One quick tip while you're doing this. Be careful not to remove the wrong email, especially if it's one you still use for receiving notifications or payments. Removing an email could affect where you receive account alerts, payment updates, security messages, or password recovery information. If you have multiple email addresses on your account, it's a good idea to double-check before confirming the deletion. You should also make sure that another active email address is already connected to the account. Also, if you don't see the option to delete an email, it may be because that email is currently set as your primary email address, or it may still be actively in use for your account settings. PayPal usually requires you to keep an active primary email connected to your account. In that case, you may need to review your account details first before trying again. You can add or confirm another email address, set it as your primary email, and then return to the old address to see whether the delete option becomes available. But in most cases, the process is exactly as simple as this. Click the gear icon, go to the Accounts tab, find the email you want to remove, click the three dots, and choose Delete. Afterward, check the email section again to confirm that the address is no longer listed. That's the full process for removing your email from PayPal.